The Invision Digital Dash from Autometer is a great product for updating an outdated dash. It provides a direct fit solution for classic Chevy trucks and cars. This is also a universal dash for most vehicles. The Invision is an all-in-one dash that monitors the speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, oil pressure, water temperature, and volts. The dash also features an adjustable RPM range of 8,000 or 10,000 and displays in imperial and metric measurements. The speedometer also easily calibrates to OEM or aftermarket speed sensors. This is great for street and performance vehicles who are looking for something customizable, vibrant, and modern. It has 3 user-selectable displays and a 12.3-inch LCD display. You can also adjust the brightness of the dash for day and night. The Invision Digital Dash also has a visual and audible alarms for low fuel level, low oil pressure, high water temperature, and low voltage. The Invision Digital Dash from Autometer has a 12-month limited warranty.